Debbie Smiles Happy Place, I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video if you enjoy the content. So today we're going to be doing some Faux whipped cream toppers, and I am going to be trying something new today. So I had somebody on my last video tell me to start using this like DAP plaster for my topping. So I'm going to try some of that and see how it works. And then we're going to get into using some of this that I actually got off the internet. And it is like a in a foreign language or whatever, but it comes in different colors and everything. And so I'm going to be doing a lot with that, and I'll put you on close whenever I do that so that you can see all the different things that I'm going to be doing. So let's start and see if this works. So I'm going to be using a regular little pastry, kind of like bag that you use for baking and like doing frosting on cakes and stuff. And I'm going to be using this DAP patching Paris and seeing how it works. I usually use the caulk, and they say this is better because it's not so, it's more wet than it is. It is a lot wetter. So I'm going to be trying it with this time and see how it works. And it already is a lot better, easier to work with. You can just spoon it in here and it seems to be doing it. It doesn't smell the greatest, but it is pretty good as far as it's wet and it scoops in here pretty good. Scooped in there really good and easy, and I think it's going to be a lot easier to work with. So that's what we're going to be doing first. We'll move these sprinkles out of the way that I'm going to be putting on top, and I'm going to get it in my pastry bag, and I'm going to just like fill up my pastry bag, and I'm going to get my little styrofoam little half circle, and I'm going to start just putting this on there. And now that's a lot easier to work with. Yeah, a lot easier. And it just goes on really easy. And then I'm going to just start doing little stars. And yeah, that is so much easier. Oh my gosh, this is the stuff to use. Don't use caulking, use this stuff. Use this stuff. This DAP Patching Paris is so much better. So much better. So much better. So I'm just going to put it all around it. And now that it's gotten there, then I'm going to just like keep on going. Oh yeah, this is much better. A lot better. So much better. And it's not a true white, but that's going to be okay. I think on this one I'm going to use my sprinkles on top, and it's going to give it some color. Yes, that's so much better. Oh my gosh, this is the stuff to use. And I bet if you put it in a bowl and you could stir it with your food coloring, and you could make it all of the colors that you wanted to make it. You really could. Oh, that is so much better. Alright, so now that I have that done, I'm going to take about these little sprinkles in the baking department, and I'm going to just sprinkle some on top. colorful. And Eastery. Oh man, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. And now I'm gonna try to get it up off of here and bring you in for a close shot of it. And there you have it. So I'll be right back. We'll let that one dry. I'm gonna do another one really quick. Now I brought you in close so you can see all this stuff that I got off the internet, and I have no idea what that says or whatever, but I just found it. Flax whipped cream. So it's just like F-A-U-X whipped cream toppers. So anyway, I'm gonna do it. Each one of these comes with its own little tip. Each one comes with its own little tip. So then you can just, they're kind of like, got this. And then you just put that on there. And then you just pick it up and you just start doing it. And it actually comes out really pretty. It does a really pretty job. And again, the bottom row is going to be the hardest one to do. And I think each tube was about $1.50 that I bought online. So these are some of the whipped cream toppers that I made. And you have like these that has the cupcake bottoms. All have the cupcake bottoms. And some of these bigger cups. And this one, which would be one of my favorites, it has a Debbie Mindless Happy Place mug on the bottom. And then I have all these that are Eastery. That one says April Showers. And this one says May Flowers. And this one says Hello Spring. And this one says He is Risen. That one's hard to read. And this one has a bunny rabbit on it. And this one says Happy Easter. So with that, I will see you guys on the next video.